The video you're watching right now is completely made using an AI tool. Yep, all you need to do is write your video topic and your full video is ready within a minute. So in this video, I'll show you how to create this kind of content for Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform using the AI text-to-video tool in Filmora 14. Let's jump straight into it. But before we begin, you can try Filmora for free through the link in the description below. Alright, first of all, open up Filmora. From the startup window, head over to the Tools section, then click on the More Tools option. Scroll down a bit and click on the AI text-to-video tool. Once you click it, you'll see a brand new window pop up. Here's where you can add your script. But if you don't already have one, no worries. You can generate it directly using the AI tool. Just go to the Generate by AI tab, select your script type, write your video topic, and if needed, add extra details. Then click on Generate Text. Filmora will now auto-generate your full script. Next, scroll down to choose your voice language. I'm setting it to English, then select a voice model. You can even use the clone voice feature if you'd like. After that, choose your video ratio. I'm going with 9:16 for this example. And then, just hit the text to video button. Wait a few moments for it to process, and boom, your video is generated. Let's check out the preview. Now let's make it even better by converting the subtitles into dynamic text. This makes your video look much cleaner and more engaging. Here's how. First, hide the existing text layer. Then, select the full voice track. Right-click on it and choose Speech to Text. Then, go to the Dynamic Text section, select all clips, and click on Generate. Give it a few seconds, and Filmora will automatically create dynamic captions for you. Now, select everything and go to the Template section. You can choose any style from here. For my video, I'm going with this one. You can also tweak the color, scale, and position from this panel to match your vibe. And now, as you can see, it looks awesome. So this is how you can create videos using Filmora's AI text-to-video tool. Just one quick tip. Sometimes the AI might mess up a little, so it's always a good idea to double-check and fine-tune your video after it's generated. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and try Filmora for free using the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.